Hello students, last time we have seen how to derive expression for PV work and we have also seen free expansion. The work done in free expansion in vacuum was 0. Today we will see concept of maximum work, meaning under this we will see what is the condition for a system to perform maximum work. Well, we have seen that the work done in isothermal expansion was given by W equals to minus P external into change in the volume. I hope you remember that this was the external opposing force which was applied by the movable piston in a cylinder. Now, this expression shows that the work depends upon the external opposing force which is given by P external. The amount of the work which is performed by a system depends upon the opposing force. The greater the opposition, more the work will be done by the system. So if this opposing force is 0, जैसे कि vacuum में था, the work done is also 0. Means if this opposing force is increased from 0, more and more work will be done by the system. When the opposing force reaches maximum, we will get the maximum work. But if the opposing force becomes greater than the driving force, the process gets reversed, which we don't want, meaning the opposing force cannot be greater than the driving force, क्योंकि ऐसा जब होता है तो process ही reverse हो जाता है, right? But we want maximum work to be done. It means that maximum work will be done for the process when the opposing force is only infinitesimally smaller than the driving force. Okay, let us say that the pressure of the gas is suppose P, जैसे हमने पहले भी assume किया था, P was the pressure of the gas which was enclosed, right? And the external pressure which is applied by the piston was given by P external, right? So let us say that this pressure of the gas differs from external pressure by a small quantity delta P, means P minus P external. We know this is P external is what? Opposing force, and this is only infinitesimally smaller than the driving force, that is pressure of the gas. So let us say this change is suppose delta P. Okay, so what will be P external from this? I will get P external, I am taking on right side, so I will get P minus delta P, right? P minus delta P is P external. So when I substitute this value, what I get? Work expression. If I substitute this in equation 1, equation 1 will change to what? It will change to P minus delta P and delta V as it is, right? So the work which is done, this will be maximum when delta P is smallest, right? ये value जब smallest होगा तो इसका value maximum होगा, right? This means that the opposing force, that is P external, is only infinitesimally smaller than P, which is called driving force. And if you remember, this was exactly the condition for a reversible process, right? Reversible process के लिए भी यही condition था. So we can conclude that the maximum work can be obtained from a system when any change is taking place and this process is thermodynamically reversible. So when the process is thermodynamically reversible, we will say maximum work can be obtained from that system. Okay, so maximum work is possible when the process is thermodynamically reversible, means when we will be deriving expression for maximum work, we will take into consideration a process which is reversible, which takes place in infinite number of steps and very slowly. Now, based upon this formula for the work, when external opposing force is P external and the change in volume is given by delta V, we are trying to solve a sum from the exercise. Here I have taken question number 4. Here I have taken question number 4, 13th sum. how the sum goes. Calculate the work done during synthesis of ammonia in which volume changes from 8 dm cube to 4 dm cube at constant external pressure of 43 bar, and in what direction the work energy will flow. Means they are asking us whether the work will be done by the system or on the system. Let us see how to solve this. When two volumes are given, it means we have to calculate delta V. Okay, two volumes are given. Volume changes from 8 dm cube, right? Volume changes from 8 dm cube. मतलब V1 कितना था? 8 dm cube, and it changes to 4 dm cube, means the final volume V2 is given 4 dm cube. The constant external pressure is given 43 bars. Right? When V1 and V2 is given, we know we can calculate delta V as what? V2 minus V1, which is 4 minus 8, that is minus 4 dm cube. So delta V ka value minus 4 dm cube. Now we want to calculate what? Work done. So I am using expression for the work done which we have derived. P external V2 minus V1, right? Let us put the values. P external, what's the value given? 43. V2 minus V1 we calculated, it is minus 4. So work will come negative into negative, positive. What you will get? 172, right? Pressure is given in bar and volume we have in dm cube. So this is the unit of the work, right? But generally we express this work done in joules or kilojoules. So if you remember, we have shown that 1 bar dm cube is equal to 100 joules. In the units we have shown this. 1 bar dm cube कितना होता है? 100 joules. This means work is equal to 172. क्योंकि ये भी bar dm cube है, I will multiply this by 100 so that it is converted into joules. And what I will get? 172 100 joules, right? If I divide this by 1000, I will get answer in kilojoules. So work done is what? If I am dividing this by 1000, I will get 17.2 kilojoules. Because the quantity of work done is positive, we will say work is done on the system, right? And hence in the answer you will say that the work energy. You should answer finally according to the question asked. They are saying in what direction the work energy flows. So we will say the work energy flows into the system. Work energy flows into the system, right? Because the work comes to be what? Positive. Work positive कब होता है? When it is done on the system. मतलब energy has flowed inside the system. That's why it comes to be positive. If this is negative, then we will say work is done by the system and the energy flows out of the system. But when the work comes positive, you will say energy flows into the system and the work is done on the system. Here you can say that volume changed from 8 dm cube to 4 dm cube. Because 8 से 4 हो गया, means this was what? Compression. And work done during compression will be positive. Expansion में negative आता है. Okay, we will continue in the next class. Bye bye.